let me show you how to install, pair your brand new speaker. So you're going to press this power button here.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
So press this and hold.
Ready to connect.
So this is the multifunction button there. So it said ready to connect. So all I need to do is download the Bose app.
Select the Bose speaker from your mobile device's Bluetooth list.
Luckily, it does walk you through this as well. But if I go into the Bose app, you can see it just pops up automatically right in the app. I don't have to do anything. It just shows up. And then it says drag to connect. And it is connecting. And it just shows you step 1, go ahead and pair to Bluetooth. Step 2, tap on the product name. So just off screen really quickly, I'm going to go to my own Bluetooth. So just make sure I'm staying private here by not showing all my apps. But it just pops right up in my devices on Bluetooth. I click on it.
Connected to iPhone 15 Pro Maxi.
And then if I go back into the app, right, I already clicked the pairing. And then it says, that's it. You can go to your settings and play with it. So now I just can go to my music. Here I am. And I can hit play and hear how it sounds. Has really nice sound quality. I could make it a lot louder, but my microphone will probably blast out before the speaker will. So then I can just turn volume up, volume down here. So the whole thing, again, super easy to use, has this really convenient carrying handle. I'd say this is a great speaker to have on hand if you're looking for something high quality.